Hey, what's up, traders? Head ass. What's good with y'all, man? It's MET. Come on, bro. Say it with me. If you don't know, then just relax for a little minute. You gonna know. MET. XRO. Hey, man, what's good with y'all, man? It's MET XRO here. And today, trying to come at y'all with another live trading video. And, yeah, man. Today we are on the pair. The motherfucking pair. Gbpjpy. This motherfucker. You feel me? So, today we gonna try to come up on here and try to get a dub. That's the simplest way I could put it. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully, you know what I'm saying, we able to get a dub. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully we able to, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? You feel me? So this is where my original entry is, but I'm gonna just go look on the 5-minute time frame just to mark it up, cause I know sometimes this shit do be get me in late. It did freeze a little bit, but hold on, let me lock in for y'all real quick. Cause this is with like my original trading shit, where I originally planned to get in at, but I think it was like a bit of a delay. So this is just, I'm gonna break this trade down when it finishes. Well, not finishes, but it was real. I'm really just going for a quick scalp, to be honest with you. No, I'm not really going for nothing. You know what I'm saying? I think I might just go for 400, no cap. Cause let me see. Cause we did okay. We broke above this, but I don't know how much. I don't know. Cause I just don't. It's already like late in the day. I don't really like holding that late, so I'm gonna just try to just go for 400, and then just be content with that, bro. Be content with that. This is a quick video. This really might just really be a quick video. All right, boom. So I ain't gonna lie, that trade. It was cool, but it was just unorganized. You know what I'm saying? Cause first thing first, if we keep, I got, fuck. If I hold on, let me see. If I'm gonna keep it all the way a buck with y'all, I usually don't like trading past 9 p.m. And I don't know if y'all can see, but I was watching some Dragon Ball Z shit, and I fucked around and hopped on my computer, right? And I was like, boom, and let me hop on this trade. So, okay, we got fucking Roblox. Add me on Roblox, head ass, but I don't play that shit. But if you want to add me, go ahead, bro. No guarantee I'm gonna accept this shit. But you know what I'm saying? Y'all probably like, what the fuck is like? Why did you hop in this shit? Let's go to the 3 minute. Come on, man, don't play me. You know why I got in this motherfucker, bro. So, first things first, the 5 minute was what above that SMA. You know what I'm saying? The 5 minute, I always love the 5 minute being above the SMA. Um, I just wanted to go for just something quick. To be honest with you, I could have held, but like I said, there was a lot of shit going on behind the scenes. Like I had this set up like marked up for about a couple minutes, but this shit happened quick as fuck. Like when I tell you, I wasn't really expecting to get in on this candlestick right here. So like I said, so I'm breaking it down real quick. We got the 5 minute above the SMA, the 5 minute demand. You know what I'm saying? Boom. So this was the first candle that touched it, and it like as soon as it touched the zone, it pushed up. So this is one of my absolute favorite setups I love to see. Where the can not the first candle that touched the zone. What the fuck am I talking about? The second candle touched the zone, but the second candle it pushed all the way down. Like it pushed all the way down, real aggressive. Came in here with some fire pressure, and then was like, nah, fuck that, get the fuck up. You feel me? On some, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I was gonna try to make a little reference, but I can't think of that shit. So, we got in, stops just right below this candle that we entered off of. Because, bro, think about it. If we came down there, pushed all the way down there, if we're going for buys, why the fuck should you want to, you know what I'm saying, break below that point? You know what I'm saying? Go back down to that point. So once it broke above this candle and start, you know what I'm saying, the candle started turning green, boom, got in. Well, originally got in right there, but my entry, I think it got me in a little bit late because as soon as I clicked buy, it loaded for like, I say about 2 seconds. It wasn't nothing crazy like the other time where I told y'all I got in for like fucking, where I got in and it loaded for like 10 seconds and I didn't miss the whole move. So You know what I'm saying? Hey, this is a nice little setup. It's really shit. Really don't know what to say, gang. Like it's like a lot of these other ones I had this zone drew up as well earlier this morning. Well, not drew up, but it was just like something I was looking at, possible to react to. And I really think another confluence that you could kind of say is this zone, this demand zone right here on the 1 hour. This is not the 1 hour. This is the 5 minute. The fuck am I talking about? Was this right here? So we had a 5 minute demand that gave a 3 minute demand. Why the fuck did I do that face? I feel like a fucking teacher. What the fuck? I'm not a teacher, bro. I just come on here to entertain y'all. Don't think of me as a teacher. But we drew this 5 minute demand right here. So this is one of my, I ain't gonna lie, this is one of my top tier setups where it's a 5 minute demand along with a 3 minute demand. You know what I'm saying? So let's say, so we got a 5 minute demand. It's a 5 minute demand, and then while you're in the 5 minute demand, they throw a 3 minute demand. You know what I'm saying? Or it's a 5 minute demand inside of a 3 minute demand. If that makes sense. I'm saying if it don't make sense, just hit me up on Instagram. Like I said, follow me on Instagram if you ain't follow. I'm saying link in the description down below. Post when I trade, when I lose, when I don't win. Join the free Discord, bro. Our Discord is fire, bro. I'm telling you, it's free. Intermediate traders, beginner traders, intermediate. What the fuck is intermediate? I think that's like on some middle shit or some shit. I don't fucking know. But we got intermediate traders, beginner traders, funded traders, full-time traders, all that shit. You feel me? So just hop up in there, bro. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna get better, and I promise you, like, cause we got this specific chat, well, not chat, but channel. It's you can see in losing setups. You know what I'm saying? Everybody try to come in there, you know what I'm saying? Hey, this is what you could do better. Now don't get mad when people be like, hey, bro, you know what I'm saying? The way you entered ain't really that valid. You know what I'm saying? At the end of the day, you know your strategy, but at the end of the day, you gotta, you know what I'm saying? You gotta be, if something is, you gotta know how to take constructive. Oh fuck, I'm stuttering. See, I'm trying to be inspirational. This is why I don't be inspirational, because I get to stuttering shit. Motherfuckers gonna laugh at me. I'm trying to spit some real deal advice, and niggas gonna be laughing at me and shit, bro. I don't fuck with that. But like, you just gotta know like when to be open to certain shit and when to just be like, all right, I know for a fact this is what's best for me. You know what I'm saying? Now look, sometimes, you know what I'm saying, some people, they give, you know what I'm saying, feedback. It's not valid feedback, but that don't mean you gotta be an asshole about it. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes people really trying to help you. This, I'm trying to wrap this shit up quick. I ain't gonna lie. I need to go lay the fuck down. But you gotta be open to feedback sometimes. You know what I'm saying? So niggas is only trying to help you in there. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, go check that out. Like I said, this is just a really quick trade. I had to fucking replug in my webcam. Couldn't find my fucking TV remote to turn that shit down. Fucking, I almost knocked my cup of lemonade over trying to bring my fucking lamp over here. It was just a bad. This was like one of my wackest videos. I'm not gonna lie. But like I said, man, for all y'all who wanna, you know what I'm saying, just re-break it down. 5 minute was above the SMA. We had a 5 minute demand. This is a 3 minute time frame right here, but we had a 5 minute demand. Rejecting off this, it literally just barely tapped it and shot up, and then it gave us this little 5 minute demand. Boom, came up, boom. You know what I'm saying? And I really didn't really feel too comfortable because we were in a downtrend. This is the 3 minute right here, so I didn't really feel too comfortable on like holding it for a long time because we were just dropping. You know what I'm saying? Just creating lower lows and all that type of shit. But it played it out in our favor. So you know what I'm saying? The account is at $402. So W day for me, man. Hopefully I enjoyed this video. Hopefully y'all enjoyed me being a fucking crackhead, because I know for sure I do. It is what it is, man. So I ain't gonna hold y'all boys up too long. So hey, man, if you like the video, make sure to like the video, bro. And we gone. I don't got shit else to say, bro. Like what's good, bro? Like, what's up? You know I'm finna go lay down, bro. You not finna lay down with me, you fucking freak. But hey, meet me at the back door, bitch.